Okay, it's coming out now. Watch this, guys.
Oh shit. Aye. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. I mean, Wawa can wait till tomorrow. Oh, babe, that's a lot of snow right there. You have to like
Come on, back up. I'll have to back up.
shovel a path into the thing that's already made. Oh shit.
What happened? Is it going in?
The little wood on that side, it keeps popping up. Like you're directly on the longer one. It won't let you go? Alright. Uh-oh. The wood is popped up and it's about to hit like the
Wall flap?
Yep. That's gonna end badly. Oh shit. You see what I mean? Like I can step on it, but I ain't taking that chance. I need my feet.
What up, guys? 2.5 hours later, finally got my car out of fucking snow. Holy crap, this is bad.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna get stuck in here.
Oh shit, let's not bump into the cops. Just let you know I can't hold the camera.
Holy crap, it's alright. Oh man, this is bad. All the streets in here are bad. We're making a run right now just because we need some supplies for the house.
Okay.
And I want to walk really bad. So, yeah.
Holy shit.
So it doesn't fucking help at all the fact that my car is lower, how my car lowered. And yeah, I just like snow, mountain of snow is hitting my car. And it's just horrible right now. Like, oh my god, look at that block. Like,
holy shit.
Like, people are trying to clean the roads now because they know they got work tomorrow, but it's bad. Like, I don't think people are gonna be able to get out. Ah! Okay, this part is clean. So we finally made it at Walmart, but get some supplies for the house because we are fucking stuck in the house for like 2 days already. So I was not trying to stay at the house. I want one of those mats that you put the squishy ones.
We're in Walmart.
We have them. They have them in here. My mom had got them. The one that she has on her thing that is really squishy. When you put your toes on it, it feels really good.
Oh, I know, she got it for Five Below. I know what you're talking about.
Five Below.
Yeah.
Those mats?
I know. Oh. Wait, what? Are you talking about the inside or the outside?
The bathroom mats that she has in her thing.
Oh. They should have them here. But that's not what we came here for. Come on, we got the mat.
Alright, come on. Where'd you get this? Because fucking Bonnie keeps climbing.
Now?
No. I'm just saying. We should get that. Right here. Bam. I found them. These fucking mats. They're $10. My mom had it on Black Friday on sale for $5.
Well, it needs to be pink.
These fucking mats, guys. These mats right here
They only
are
have
fucking
gray.
bad.
Babe, we need pink.
We don't fucking pink. We can get gray.
To match the bathroom, it's not gonna match.
I want the bathroom to be
Or it
all
has to be
black. I
black.
like this.
It will have to be black because it has like a pink black cheetah kind of like color to it.
Fucking cheetah prince. Alright guys, so finally out of Walmart. Finally out of the stores that we gotta get. We got everything that we needed. So now what we're gonna do is we'll look for a liquor run.
Yeah.
We need some liquor in our life.
We ran out.
So I can edit the vlog and be able to have fun while I'm editing. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
I need one of those things, man. I need a Jeep like that.
The one that passed by.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I want to day drink. I don't want to drink late at night. So I can recover fast.
This is what we need. Shuhuari. Yuhuari. Now, this chick wants something else.
Olives. They don't have the one on
3 olives?
Sale.
She wants 3 olives. You got the blueberry one and the peach one.
No, my favorite is the mango, but 7. Let's get crazy. Let's not do that. I want to get crazy.
You want to get crazy?
I'm gonna be in a house. Just me,
Hopefully
you.
I don't have to go to work tomorrow. Because I definitely don't feel like waking up with a mean hangover and going to work tomorrow.
Looking to save money on Medicare Part D? Switch your prescription to Walgreens. With co-pays as low as $1, you can be
I'm working at the
real
market.
savings.
You drinking tequila?
I really like my Amsterdam, and it's the last mango. The universe said I should buy it. Let's go.
Okay. Vodka and tequila, not a good thing. So we on our way home. This is a street we take down. I used to live, well, we're about to pass my block where I used to live with my mom. Where my mom currently lives. And I'm trying to pass by to see how the block looks, and it's pretty bad. Like people, like these trucks came and they buried these people's car. So like, look at this. This guy can't get out. Like, like that's just gonna turn to fucking
Ice.
Like people can't get out at all. It's pretty bad.
Damn.
Like it's insane. Look at this guy trying to come around. Go back on parking. It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
Make the street actually look smaller.
Yeah.
But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, this is Philly, not fucking Alaska, so people are not used to it.
Alaska.
Okay, this is my mom's block. So
D Street.
no,
my
right
bad.
here. This is what holy shit!
Ain't nobody getting in that motherfucker.
Whoa!
Oh, this is a team outfit right here.
Holy shit!
Wow. Holy fuck.
Whoa!
That's fucking crazy.
Mira, yo tuve 2 horas tratando de salir del bloque mío, loco. Está cabrón.
Holy shit.
Damn. No hay trabajo mañana. Mañana no trabaja. ¿Tú?
The whole block should be out there helping. Seriously. The
That's fucking
entire
nuts.
block should be out there. This is fucking nuts.
So this is Bonnie, guys. I haven't. Ow, bitch.
See, you touch her and all that stuff when she's clean, she gets mad. Like, I'm gonna clean you, beat you, then I'm gonna clean myself.
So I haven't introduced you guys to her yet because I just been so busy. But we got her like, I don't know, like 2 months ago. She actually grew up fast as fuck. She was so cute when she was a little kid. So me and my girlfriend got her this little jacket, hoodie type thingy, my jigger.
She has a little hoodie. Yeah.
You're gonna learn today, cause she gonna put it on you, and you're not gonna like it.
I'm gonna shove your head
You're
in
not
it.
gonna like it.
You should let her bathe, cause she's gonna fuck me up. I'm gonna put it on. Ah! Don't do that. I told you, don't be aggressive with her, cause then she's gonna fucking. Ah! You're a prisoner. Oh wait, the teeth. No. No. Honey.
She's so mean.
Ow! That's the tender part. Let go. Bitch. Bonnie. Who is this person? This isn't you.
She hates clothes.
Ow.
She do not like clothes at all.
You're an ass. You know what? You're a catatute. Not a prostitute, a catatute. She don't like clothes.
Alright guys, finally made it home. We're safe. It's pretty bad out there. But we had to get those things and just supplies for the house. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't been uploading lately. I know I said I was going to start gaming again. Started January. but I haven't been gaming because it's been really busy with me. A couple of personal things have happened to me that I've been trying to, you know, to work on it. And, you know, just random shit that's going on. But I've kind of been busy a lot with the whole photograph and videography stuff. So, yeah, that's the reason why I haven't been gaming. But hopefully soon I'll be able to go back gaming. But, you know, every other time that I'm able to, you know, vlog, so you can see what, you know, what I'm up to on my daily basis and stuff, I'm pretty sure you guys enjoy it. So if you guys enjoy it, just hit that thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.